Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 3, and I'm really excited for this one. In the last episode, I mentioned that you don't have to write any C++ code all by yourself, and in this video, I've got something really helpful for you. I've created full documentation that includes everything you need to set up your attribute set, gameplay ability, gameplay effect, gameplay ability system, player state, and even the base character. Every class is clearly written with step-by-step code that's super easy to follow. Now here inside Visual Studio, you can see I've already created all the required files. These include the attribute set, gameplay ability, gameplay effect, player state, and base character. To create them, just open Unreal Engine, go to Tools, then New C++ class, and follow the steps in the documentation. Everything you need to copy is already there, so you can stay focused on building your game, not writing boilerplate code. Now check this out. When I press play and hit the Q key, you'll see it says ability activated and it consumes 25 key energy. And once the key runs out, it shows not enough key. That means our ability system is working perfectly with cost handling and activation logic all in place. In the next episode, episode 4, we'll take this even further. We'll add animation and sound so the ability feels dynamic and alive in game. So be sure to check that out when it drops. I'll see you there. Until then, happy developing.